What are the rides in the world of Frozen in Hong Kong Disneyland? And there are only two rides. First is the Frozen Ever After, presented by Blue Cross, where you will immerse in a magical world with your favorite songs from the Frozen movies, with a plunge experience where you will get wet. Alright, let's take a ride.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. 我哋而家出發去愛新嘅冰雪皇宮啦！一陣見。
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love at the fall of the frozen heart.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
Indeed.
Northern Lights. Yung mga shooting star yan eh. Oh.
Winter's a good time to stay and cuddle up for me and summer, and I'll be a
Happy snowman?
exactly. Well, my future of fun to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun, just letting off steam. Oh, the sky.
And second is the Wandering Oaken Sliding Sleigh. It is an exciting roller coaster type ride through Arendelle Forest that includes sharp turns and sudden drops. So let's give it a try.
So we can slide all the way down.
And that's it. And if you enjoy watching, please like and subscribe.
Dito na lang.